Mbul Benakan and Benak to you all. This is Aus Pelangi Show.
Right.
Benak boleh besar bito kani. Kita rambar nonton benua ke kibrinda lube vitu di borong tu boleh tu mai.
Don't Benaka?
Nah, biasa buru-buru na mata di kuah.
I want to say good morning to those tuning in the YouTube channel VTFM.
Yeah.
Live this morning. Double tap, guys. Double tap. Dongan arus. Orang ni bilang tadi mata kini kuah. Apa ambulan tentukan dibikin ini sama teman YouTube channel. And also those watching live on VTFM Facebook page.
Good morning to everybody who's wake up this morning.
Right.
Thank you very much for your wake up.
Right.
Thank you very much for your sleeping.
Right.
Thank you very much for your sound ball.
Right.
And thank you very much for your breakfast this morning.
Right.
Without you, without us,
Right.
without us, without we are without. Yeah, we are without. So everybody without. We are with us this morning.
Good morning to those tuning in the bus, in the carrier, in the van, the school trip. Some nearly reaching the school now. Bayan rutan demikian menikah Sarah and matakan jendai. What the purple taxi, my brother?
Mini to Dama to Firoz Khan and the gang from Lambasa for the gang of watering.
Right.
This morning, good morning to you and the family.
Right.
Blessed this day. We are nearly finished this week again due to our movement from one place to another. We would like to thank you for your lovely.
Right. Good morning to those tuning in the live stream, different parts of the world, tuning in this morning. A very good morning, and all those two of our friends are tuning in on the VTFM TikTok channel this morning.
Georgia, Morgan Bill Matakasam, Bulaminaka from Georgia, and not forgetting the one and only she is coming. Sunny Boy, Sunny Boy, the checker number one of the Nasise bus, joining this morning. Thank you very much to all the bets.
All the brothers and passengers out there, don't make every chimba say good morning to you, wherever you're tuning from.
Right.
Demesi, do you plant tobacco? Nivici.
Which oi?
When you ask the question, you complete it in
be specific.
Yeah.
Otherwise, people now tinamatasun ko like may kautaleo bulimis.
Orto barang sarto ka morto na taban nila. Orto sakil sarto ka itu.
No, the tobacco nivici.
Yeah.
Suki.
I only see my uncle when I watch it. And
clear from Talangata.
Right.
I didn't see how it planted. I see the grow is coming from the planting.
All right, yeah.
I just see the plant. I never see how they inject.
Okay, describe the plant.
The plant is a leaves.
What leaves?
The tobacco.
Oi.
The Fijian tobacco is a plant.
Yeah.
If you see, the suki.
Oh, okay.
If you see a plant, this plant, he got a leaves.
Right.
He got a leaves.
Yeah.
So it's green.
Okay.
So from there, we see the people from Nabosa on the video of the live from they doing.
Yeah.
They dry it.
Oi.
Yeah, they put in the sun. Yeah, for drying. They got different. Some number 1, some number 2, some number 3.
Oi, okay.
But because of their toxicity, they can kiki.
Oi.
So
toxicity.
They clarify
Right.
their difference through the tastability.
Rather kick. Okay.
I can kiki.
Okay. So what they learn sing, I put it in the sun. Then what? Sangge apa?
Then they step on it.
Step.
Ang dori na nira lombut. Ndro ka kuntar ko mabiyo na kango sin me lewasuki.
You know much better than us, my brother. Tuman raman tabi baka loloma, baka dir loloma. Tuning in from the Dalaway no kumaysen John Loloma Sartuyan in Budabay.
Urat sindama siapa gara-gara tamu do bula minakamay ulimate road may no sorry.
Right.
Bilay senia way manu. Way nunu
So they
do
step
bula.
on the suki.
Step up with the merda ba?
Why? What is the purpose of stepping on the suki?
Meramba-ramba, merani sa winaka, misa ulewu me.
To plow.
Isahin tu pala me to mena.
You stand in the pitch, eh?
In the pitch me eu. And ubi Tom Junior stop it. Then you put inside. And a tembombo one. And another one you using the ndoko.
So the tembombo you don't use the ndoko.
Siya nga iko dukira wa ilu kere-kere.
Okay.
I thought the hen.
Okay, right.
From there, then tembombo.
Right.
Another one is using the ndoko, the cow, the stick, the wood, to plow, and you insert the thing inside.
Okay, how many times you insert the ndoko?
Myself only 3.
Oi!
Depend on how the soil. Arena Michele, na te vorti uy ko. Iyo. Lusa is inside you, boy.
So, okay. Can we do it more often, like 5 times, 6 times, 7 times?
Type of the soil depend on how it shows the type of the dalo, the taste it is. Like the clay and budi. Ni budi nangele na budi. The taste is rengan-rengata.
Okay.
Wah, correct. And the soapstone,
It's a soapstone, it's very good. It's a sere.
So the soapstone, how many plow?
How many plows?
Hey, good morning to the boys in the village, go.
Yeah.
From Nakoro, they are tuning in Blenheim. Banda tukani bay mesa. Banda tal tukani bay te, banda ni bina katian ni na bukan karabit. Go sar to harvest to na matagani kuah. To marong sar tukani.
Thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
From Blenheim in New Zealand.
If you want to,
Arto te dava.
Na apple ngona grapes harvesting.
Tukai na valibu.
Can you teach them how to plow?
is there any ndalo breed? Baka mintu leba-leba?
Right.
Yeah. Some of them they are very level,
Especially the hybrid ones, eh?
Yeah, the hybrid one.
Yeah.
They are very level because they before we going to the Andalo, father then Hong Li, Penimoa ke pa ni Diocese of Polynesia Sion Maxiale. Thank you very much for joining here this morning. Come.
Na kono sono ndalo, sono breed ni ndalo.
Leba-leba.
Orang tadi sono leba-leba.
Depende on how
Cry baby too.
cry baby because of the spray. If you spray, some of them touch them, they don't want to grow good.
Okay.
But Dalo is very good. You put them in a place they can grow.
Okay, one.
Some of the ndalo,
Yeah.
the 11, they shape like the number 8. Why?
Because that's
So,
so. Yeah.
Please, kaya demes.
Because that's too much weed. Maka salibi kau nangon sa babalati kini matua. Sangon salibi kau kina sabi kau tiang kay werera tali merara matali.
Oi.
Put it in the bush.
See, if you want to bush them.
Iya. Baka besa matua.
Iya.
Wa moteti ko me tumbua.
Metumbo.
Besa buli ko ya.
Iyo, balite me uta binaka, malung binaka biko kaya
Don't clear. Don't
nangon o tiang mo werera tali mengai on tali meke. That's the 8 is coming.
Taruh juga betul kuntal bentuk film.
Iya.
Ada kamera sedem. Hey, how come this one is like the number 8?
Yeah, because the what you call the middlemen, they don't like the number 8
Yeah.
when they come in by the ndalo. Why is that?
Because that thing.
Nangon
Nangon sa bulakan lima tua kina.
Yeah.
When that thing nearly to come matua, you leave the sambuta tu, misaba tumbo tu. Then after that you cut the grass again.
Iya.
The grass again.
Yeah.
Then after that, the thing start to then bush again. Baka mesin tu ni sama kena ngonong donu.
Right.
That's the thing can happen.
Sama kena kena ngonong donu.
Iya.
Bicu ka baka tumbo tak kena ngonong donu.
Iya.
Okay, last question Mika Foso jawab. Last question the basic.
Mai.
You the expert in the planting of the ndalo.
Ndalo, yeah.
Okay. The space between each ndalo. Maybe that. Ocho sintara.
Depend on how you doing. Some dalo when it's a very kapakain daw bulan-bulan.
Right.
It's good. The space is very good.
Right.
Because they will grow. If you does not the space is not good,
Eventually.
the thing will grow taller.
Oh.
And the 11
Because no
They
space.
fight for the sun, eh?
They fight for the sun. The photosynthesis process they need.
Yeah,
Because they cook their food through sunlight.
One now.
So they need space to elaborate more.
One now. To
So
express themselves.
yeah, but something good about closeness.
Yeah.
The weedingness is very low.
Very easy.
Yeah.
And andre may tumbo may kinado balatan isa na rurung na.
Ano. Tutok mo ko sila pamatala na matali ko may one ng minister ni Tite na baka tamisingan. Na outs pa lang iso. Yeah. Ha. Nanom mo tindalo.
Right.
Ron doon na singa. Zomba pakatol no muindoko.
Yeah.
Withan na liburin talo korintea.
Depend if you use the mateba, good now
Yeah.
it's very good.
Yeah.
Kaya pagkakondoko ko na oda
Right.
because you need power
Yeah.
to go down. Because when you use mateba, your feet is going there.
Right.
Kondoko, no feet.
No energy.
You just dung,
Yeah.
dang,
Right.
dang.
You know.
Right. Okay, kemudian kan korintea liman ron talo liman don singa. Ni bang tara matiba. Nabi wakini talo satu kunci ko kwera kene wala kasi na roro ni were.
Iya.
Ada tumbala butalanga,
Right.
nabi wala taka nakat kata singa.
Iya.
Iya, okaro nandalo men mbuni kan damu.
Iya.
Na kerebe waki 1 kilometer apart.
1 kilometer ko reteng mau kan ni.
Manik taumpal ko.
Abang ko reteng 1 kilometer ko reteng mau kan ni.
Tu nambah bukan apa.
Nada ni teteng ko na bang ko retateng na tagku. Minamale Punja celebrating 90 years this morning. We love you all.
Ada benar Bengal Kumar.
Pamadala may ba na minister ni agriculture nawa malewango. Nice na pamadala may snow flakes. Lex go go sa man may nanon to TikTok account. Double tap guys, double tap. Doon nga na Rose kachi. Bando chika ni nawa malewa Rosini Buni Bakarongo. Lolo malew sarto may bola tangane kito sa bambu na malew sar na sarto. Mr. Flex bola benaka 3 times palaw nandoko. Mawaki Serwatu Nabale. What any Vinatian and Bogani, Tokani, Tokani Bamadala, Goberto de Sabachumai, and another TikTok account, and Matakani Bakada missing in Nikua.
Ngai love hat siya takan nanda live na mataka ni kuwa karena program mo kawal tungan ni bende draba kiso nangon nanda salin na numatala na numabeka ni program tun be bakalilay siya. Patungan katan ni bende draba.
Marumanda.
Tingan go switch tale na serious topic kaya program mo imbuli nga mekanga ni bende draba kanga ni lasa. Nalimunan rendre na idolo tungko na bosa lawan bango na Facebook sandar dito kay kinabi bosa tata kinabi kaseti na lasan kakita ko ya. Iya program mo idur tunga ni. Katungan ni bende draba katungan ni Marau. Siya nito na kena imbale-imbale may patatanon robul lang ngone. Katungan dipende. Begitu non da talengar tunggu itu bara patol tungang konon robos balangi. Broken na hindi bol.
Ano bulma?
Ha. Ano ni binaka kita makito sa daba?